Hi, friends. This week I'm preparing for the annual Milwaukee studio tour that I'm once again participating in with my art. And I'm bringing my hidden Life of Trees series paintings to the show. But I also added a few new things, like prints of my windows to nature. I bought a new stand for my stickers, and there is a couple new holographic mushroom stickers in the mix. I'm again offering my notebooks with my art on the cover. Whatever is left, I will release to my shop next week. The show is on Saturday, October 5th and Sunday, October 6th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and I am on stop number 17, Good Hope Island. If you live in the area and have some time this coming weekend, stop in and say hi.